Tom has never thrown a pass in his NFL career in the regular season until now. Ball batted in the air, and Polamalu almost got there. But the Steelers think they have it. That was off the fingertips of L.J. Smith, and off a vicious hit. It was batted in the air.
McFadden reads the route, drives it very well, and watch Polamalu goes out. Oh
wow.
My gosh.
Andy Reid's already thrown the red flag.
Oh, he got his arm. I think he got it under it.
You think it's under it? The nose of the football in that case.
Challenging the ruling on the field of an interception. Ruling on the field stands.
Here you go.
Philadelphia is charged with its first timeout.